1, Mitchell Hewitt. Mitchell's the current world champion tree feller. How about a big hand for Mitchell? On tree number 2, we have Matthew Gurr from Deloraine, Tasmania. I believe Matthew has won the championship in this event more times than anyone else. So you got Matthew Gurr on tree 2, and beside Matthew is Matthew's son, Daniel Gurr. How about a big round of applause there? Father and son next to each other in the tree felling. There's the all clear tree fellas, stand by for a start, and we'll be coming in on the count of 39. 126 already. You can see them up the top down there. The bottom trees, the front markers are cutting strongly. Michael Kelly halfway through down there in block 6. But Matthew Girders made his way to the top three quickly there on tree 2. Up goes Mitchell Hewitt on tree 1, the back marker. And Daniel Gurr cutting strongly on 3. A bit of trouble there to start with. He's still in the race. Josh Adamson probably just slightly taking the lead there on tree number 4. Down comes Matthew Gurr on 2. Mitchell Hewitt's coming down on tree number 1. So this will be a run hard to the final. Come on, get behind them, ladies and gentlemen. Please we can get these back men. They're making up a lot of ground on the front markers. Looks like the first one to go to the top for the second side will be Josh Adamson on tree 4. Josh has got a bit of a lead at this stage. Very closely followed behind though by Matthew Gurr on 2. Get one, cheer them along. We've got Mitchell Hill pretty close to going up on 1. They've overcome big handicaps, these men. Two of the best tree climbers in the world today. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, they're very close to the finish here. They're doing a great job for you. Very hard to get down on those boards. Look at those trees shaking around. How would you like to be up there? Come on, cheer along, and here we go, winner coming up there on tree number 2. Oh, very, very close there for a second placing. Daniel's about to drive his off. Michael Kellett sticking out down there on tree number 6. Bit of trouble there on tree 5 with Blake Morris. Had to give it away. Probably a bit of bad wood by looking at the top of that tree. away, keep Michael going. He comes from Golligo, New South Wales. Okay, won't be long before we're back with the official result. Very, very close there in second place.